And then last, what I wanted to show you is Milani came out with new highlighters, and they look so pretty. And so I said, oh, I want, it's 3 highlighters in a palette. It's $20, and they are really beautiful. I believe these are limited edition, and they are beautiful. They're like marbleized. However, when I went to try them on, I was shocked. They're not powders. They're creams. And let me see if I have any part of my hand I can still use. Nope, that didn't work. I'll try it on my other hand. I'm right-handed, so I guess I automatically, I don't know if you can see that, but that is very pretty. That is very pretty. But look what happened to the pink one. I pressed too hard and already got pushed out. So that kind of shocked me. It reminds me of when they did those cosmic liners and everybody went crazy to get them and then wound up not liking them because they didn't stay on, they would wear off, they were not waterproof, they were just a mess. And so I didn't get those at the time. At the time I didn't feel I could afford them, and then I heard the review, so I was happy I didn't get them. But these I wanted. And cream, I guess a cream highlight is okay on the face, and you could put a translucent powder over it, but yeah. So these are really pretty. I'll give them that. But they're just cream, so you got to be careful with them, because that pink is like all mushed in there now. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you for today. And so next week I have a couple of appointments. So I guess my videos are probably going to come midweek as opposed to in the beginning of the week. And so yeah, I will see you next week. And I don't know if I'm going to continue this series because I haven't tried on the lipsticks yet. So I probably will. And then I'll probably move on to my Physicians Formula shadows. I've been wanting to try those, and I, got so excited when I found out about this brand. And I like, for the most part, I would say this is really, really good stuff. Some of it is not all that, but for the most part, this is really good stuff. So, okay, I will see you guys next week. Mwah.